Today we're going to learn how to use our Anchor wallet for governance. And this will be connected to the Telos Zero network. So once you've signed in to the Anchor wallet, I'm using desktop app on Mac, and you'll see your resources. Just make sure that you've got enough resources to be using it. So you'll need RAM, CPU, and net, and you can stake them here. We recommend putting 0.5 Telos on these. And then once you've done that and you've got some Telos staked in your wallet, you can then use it to vote for block producers. This is part of the reason why we need governance, is so we can decide who are the block producers producing blocks on Telos. So here you can see a list, and then you can type in the name of them, and you can go look up EOS block producers. Go to eosauthority.com, and you can see the full list. And so the top 21 block producers will be earning more Telos because they are the active block producers. And then if there's any issues with the top 21, then they will be voted out. And then anyone below the top 21 will be voted in and taking their place. And so this keeps things competitive, making sure that the top 21 block producers, the active block producers, are keeping things in order, making sure that you've got reliable, consistent blocks. And so, look, there's over 50 block producers, so there's always competition, and this is why there's other things to consider as well. Like, because it's so competitive, what are you basing your decision to vote for a block producer on? And so something that we try and do at Mosaic Blocks is we try and make sure that we're making educational content about Telos, and we're trying to keep in contact with the community. We're trying to do X spaces, things like this. Here you can see we've already selected Telos Kiwi, Swapsicle, and you can see the some of the block producers that we're voting for here. You might want to vote for Telos Unlimited, and so essentially what this is doing is this is using your Telos that you've got in this wallet, and you're using it to vote. You can also set up a voter proxy where essentially you hand over the decision making of who you're voting for. So once you've decided who, you can do a maximum of 30 different block producers. Once you've decided who, just click submit votes. And this is just telling you to confirm. Submit votes. And that has now been submitted.